Magandang buhay. Today I am going to answer our reflection in the introduction to IMS in education. The first part is personal experience with IMS. What IMS tools or platforms are currently used in your school, university, or workplace? Most of the time, we are using Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Canva in the DepEd sector. How do you personally interact with these systems? As a teacher, I encounter Microsoft Excel in computing grades and for the layout of tar papel for the pupils' reading materials. Microsoft Word, on the other hand, is for quiz and periodical exams, and Canva is for editing different instructional materials for my students in grade 1. Share a specific example of how MIS supported or challenged your role. As a subject coordinator in English, the new consolidation sheet in Microsoft Excel is very challenging because some sheets can be edited by other consolidators, but on the other hand, it makes our work easier and faster. Let's go to the analysis of MIS in educational leadership. For the first one, how does MIS contribute to decision making, planning, and management in your institution? MIS enhances quality decisions and support effective planning and simplifies management process. In what ways has MIS improved efficiency, transparency, or accountability? MIS makes operations smoother and more transparent and clearly defines roles and tracks who performs what actions, making it easier to hold people accountable. What are the limitations or challenges you observe in terms of connectivity, data quality, training, and workload? Poor data quality. It requires skilled personnel to handle system development and maintenance, also lack of training for teachers, and discomfort of technology. Let's move on to the part 3, connection to Philippine context. Reflect on the case of the DepEd Learners Information System or LIS or other national systems like CHED, MIS, TESDA, TMIS. LIS is very useful to us teachers. After we encode everything in the system, the data we need is complete. It makes our work easier and faster because of its auto-generated features. How do these systems reflect both strengths and weaknesses of MIS in Philippine education? Learners' information systems in Philippine education clearly demonstrate how MIS can improve data management, decision-making, efficiency, and accountability in schools. However, they also expose ongoing challenges with data quality, user adaptation, and security that limit the full potential of MIS implementations in our country. What lessons can be drawn for school or university leaders? For school and university leaders, embracing MIS requires more than just acquiring technology. It demands strategic planning, investment in people and infrastructure, commitment to data integrity, and strong leadership to fully harness MIS benefits while navigating its challenges. Let's go now to part 4, critical reflection and leadership insights. From your perspective as a future educational leader, How would you strengthen MIS utilization in your context? As a future educational leader, I'll be focusing on creating systems and policies that makes MIS a trusted, everyday tool that drives better learning outcomes and institutional efficiency. What ethical or equity considerations must be taken into account? Example, data, privacy, and digital divide. Ethical and equity considerations like data privacy, bridging the digital divide, fairness, and transparency must be foundational in MIS planning and implementation. Educational leaders need to balance technology benefits with respect for individual rights and equitable access to truly serve all learners. How can MIS be better aligned with the goals of quality access, equity, and accountability in education? Aligning MIS with these goals means designing and implementing systems that are user-friendly, inclusive, data-driven, and secure, with a clear focus on supporting continuous improvement, broad access, fairness, and transparency in education. Part 5. Key takeaways. List 3 to 5 insights you gain from this week's session that you believe will be valuable for your future leadership role. MIS is useful to us, especially in our workplace. We should be aware of the boon and bane of MIS. And lastly, it is very important to us teachers to be knowledgeable about the MIS. It will help us a lot in dealing pupils, especially in this new era generation. And with that, thank you very much. Have a great day. God bless and mabuhay.